These devil sticks, also called flower sticks, I got these for my daughter who's 12 years old, but I have been so impressed with them. I thought I would actually show you what I've been up to lately. I am not by any means a professional here, just had them for a few days. But what makes these so easy compared to other flower sticks or devil sticks is they are actually rubber coated, meaning that they're very, very easy to control. They're kind of grippy. So I'm going to give you a close-up look of this so you can kind of balance it on here and see how it doesn't slide very well. It's kind of sticky. On the middle, you can see a sticker, and that indicates that it is the middle. So if you want to do any kind of tricks, like put it on your foot down here and then pop it up like so, you can do that. These really are one of those, it's kind of a cross between fidget sticks and juggling. And so if you are into, let's say, nunchucks or poi, this really is one of those things that you can do while watching TV, especially if you're a fidgeter. So if you have ADD of some kind, this is just so much fun. Highly recommended, a fantastic size, extremely good quality, and absolutely worth the price point.